Can you take your water for a walk, honey? Look at how fast you are. Look at how fast you are. Look at you go, Eli. Where you going, honey? Where's Eli going? Look at you turning in circles. Look at you go. You just taking a tour of the living room? Such a big boy. You're such a big boy, Eli. Off you go. Good catch, buddy. You're so good at walking, honey. I can't believe it. Twice as fast as yesterday. Oh, we fell down. Good job getting up. Oh, get up again. Get up again.